Hello and good morning. Thank you that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Thursday, April 18th, 2024, 8:30 in the morning, overcast skies at 8 octa, temperature it's plus 8.3 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is rising at 1013.2 millibars, and the air quality reading is at 19.5 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, well, it was raining the whole day yesterday, so I'm curious to see how much rain we got. So let's check the rain gauge. So we got 12.6 millimeters of rain in the past 24 hours. And this rainfall measurement will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, it's the middle of the spring season, and some people actually do something called spring cleaning where they actually go, either they do a deep clean inside the house or they do spring cleaning in their backyard. Well, I also do a spring cleaning weather station version. And what I mean by that is during springtime and also during the fall time as well, I do a twice a year deep cleaning, where what I do is I disassemble the automatic weather station, or take out the plates in the radiation shield, and then I also clean the sensors, the solar panel, and I also make sure that the cone for the automatic rain gauge is also free of debris. So I do that twice a year during springtime and also fall. Aside from that deep clean twice a year exercise, I also do regular maintenance. So typically what I do is on a weekly basis, I will also check the cone to make sure there's no pine needles that fell into the funnel, which is actually quite important because in an automatic rain gauge, any extraneous particle that traps into that spoon will then create an artificial weight that will then impact or create an inaccurate rainfall when the spoon tips over because of that external debris. So I do that on a weekly basis. And on my CoCoRaHS rain gauge, I also do regular maintenance as well. And what I do with that is on a regular basis, I do clean the inner funnel, and using a brush, I actually go inside, make sure to take out any debris, any algae that might have formed, and making sure that it's actually clean. And I also do visual inspection to make sure that there are no cracks either in the outer tube or the inner tube that will then impact any precipitation that I have followed. So no cracks, all clean, just all good. I will actually post an educational video sometime this spring where I will go more in depth on how I do maintain and clean my automatic weather station as well as the manual rain gauge behind me. There you go. Well, I do hope you enjoy your spring cleaning. What kind of a spring cleaning that you do, weather related or otherwise. So have fun. Well, friends, I hope to see you again tomorrow. Just remember, the sun is always there and the cloud shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you tomorrow. Take care.